Today we're going to take a look at page 35 on minor arpeggios. If you can remember, we learned about arpeggios for grade 1. So let me revise you a little bit on that. An arpeggio means a tonic triad with the root doubled. So we have 4 notes. Let's take an example of D minor here. We have the D, F, A for the tonic triad, and we double this D another octave higher. So you have D, F, A and D. So it's like a scale. It can go up and down. So let's take a look at your questions. Exercise 1. Write the key signature and tonic triad for each key shown. So they have given you the minor key. Be careful. Make sure you find out the relative major of the key first. So let's take D minor and we walk up 3 steps up from D to find the relative major. So we have the F major key signature, which is B flat, and here we need to write the triad, and in the next part of the question we need to write an arpeggio with the separate notes. So D, F, A, and we're gonna double this D, the root of the chord, one more time. So D, F, A, D going up, and then we need to go down as well with the same notes. Alright, so that's it. That's 1 octave arpeggio in the key of D minor. Let's go to the next one. We have the tonic triad in the key of A minor. So let's make sure you find out the relative major key of A minor. We have the C major key signature, A, C, E. Make sure you check the clef. This one's a treble clef. Alright, the next thing you have to do is write out the notes. From this one is going down, then up. So we need to take it from the higher A and walk down from A, E, C, A to A, and then walk up the same notes. Alright, that's it. And the last one, we have the key of E minor. Let's take a look at E minor major key signature is a G major. So we have an F sharp in the bass clef. And next we write out the notes from E. We build up. The third note is G. Fifth note is a B. E, G, B. And here we need to write the arpeggio going up and then down. Right, I'm going to end on the E, which is in this space, and then go back down. E, B, G, E. And the last part of this question, please don't forget, you need to write all of the arpeggios in crotchets. Alright, that's it for this week. I'll see you next time.